Everybody, good morning, good afternoon. I saw this now. They doing cybersecurity 101 sec 1 certification is live, is an entry level. I'm not sure I see this also in an X cybersecurity 101. They released TryHackMe the new one. They talk about it here. I'm not sure what people are saying. Let's see. As a load more. Let's see if someone complaining or not. Uh, So waited for the problem is that most HR professional, yeah, because you can argue it's a new one. I'm not sure what track they want to do with it. If you look where he said foundation, um, you can say it's a practical the foundational certificate that build the cyber career. Um, we got I'm not doing it this one. Industry recognize stand out with just SEC1. I'm not sure, to be honest. This is the, if you want to see the key skills, they're talking about operating system fundamental, network traffic analysis, web and application security, malware analysis fundamental, password attacking, credential security operation, certified completed learning path, and then start the exam, get certified and progress with confidence. Let me see what's put in the it costs $126. It's a bit 24-hour exam. That's very interesting. Learning included. So if you don't have a premium, so one free retake. I think that's the selling point here. Building a certification. They said industry research, learning. That's in what cybersecurity one certification is a beginner level hand-on certification. The certification designed for learner who complete TryHackMe Cyber One path. Okay. Why did build a certification? I'm not sure. Fill the gap. It's to me certification. I think they compare it to Hack the Box. The blue Hack the Box certificate, the one for Virginia, is ideal for students. Key different 100% practical and hand-on, not MCQ based. Use real system, real tool, real artifact. Okay, at least this time they didn't compare. Certificate valid for 3 years, so okay, and then retake you have 24 years and retake available post cool down period. So you can have an exam, they said, is split in 7 sections across red team, blue team and purple team. It includes analysis VM containing multiple artifacts. Interesting. Recommend complaint save on one. So they put, I'm not sure, to be honest, where is it. The learning path, they said, for example, if you go to learn more here, there's a discount here, and then retake, that's good part of it. This is the exam tier. They said you have assessment format, you have total section of the exam is 7 question, 10 per section. Time 30, 40, 60 minutes per section. That's interesting. Format hand-on, no multiple choice. That's interesting. None, so you need to passing score 4.5. That's a bit too small or not? 4.5 to for 7 from 700. Storyline, you act as a cybersecurity contractor working across multiple client environment and applying core skills system analysis. Okay, exam structure, Windows fundamental, Linux fundamental. This is a beginner. Network traffic fundamental, weapon test fundamental, security operation fundamental, perform entry level blue team, malware analysis fundamental. This is malware fundamental. Where is that recommended learning? Let me open. Where is the malware fundamental? Cybersecurity 101. You have offensive, defensive, Linux part 1, 2, the Windows, command line. This is the new one, the 101. Cryptography public. I like this part, the new one. This is a nice part. This is but old room, the Meta Plus, the blue, it's an old one. Web application based. This is, I think the path is good. I can say Hydra, Cobas, the basic shell overview, SQL map. That's interesting. SOC fundamental, digital forensic fundamental, incident response fundamental, log fundamental. That's good. Firewall, IDS, scanner. Yeah, most video for these things. Kappa, oh, that's where the malware come in. Remix getting started. Flare VM. No. Oh, this one. When I remember this, my brain. Training impact on teams, and then pre-security. That's also interesting to do it if you want to do it. Start with this one, in fact. Carry in cyber impact framing. Oh, this is the fundamental if you want DNS. Windows fundamental, Linux fundamental part 1. Yeah, guys, I'm not. I think what I like is this course. Even if you don't do certification, this one is good part to learn if you are new. So you combine them, but I'm not sure how it will be with CompTIA Security Plus and all of that. Guys, think and let me know what you think. It's really that worth it and not with $100. So what's the comment and people they say in here if I always respond, I submit but I forgot my typing username. Okay, not interested. Fire, bon courage, helpful for those who want to break in cybersecurity. I don't know. Let me know guys what you think. So this is the foundation certification that builds cyber career. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much and have a good day.